Hello and welcome to WPKlik's YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you how to regenerate thumbnails. This will come in handy when you add a new thumbnail size and you want all your past thumbnails to be the same size, or when you switch to a new theme that uses different sizes for featured images and so on. The easiest way to regenerate thumbnails is to use a plugin called Regenerate Thumbnails. To install the plugin, go to your dashboard, click on Plugins, then on Add New, and type Regenerate Thumbnails in the search bar. When you find the plugin, click on Install. After the installation is completed, you'll need to click on the Activate button. The plugin will now appear in your left-hand menu under Tools. Click on this button to regenerate all thumbnails. Be patient though, and don't upload any photos or do anything else until the plugin has done regenerating, which may take a few minutes. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more information on this topic, check out the description and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.